On Friday, the Jharkhand High Court granted bail to Jharkhand Mukti Morcha leader and former Chief Minister Hemant Soren in an alleged land scheme case. Justice Rongon Mukhopadhyay's court approved his regular bail. The court had reserved its order on June 13th after hearing arguments from Mr. Soren's lawyer and additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who represented the Enforcement Directorate. The ED had arrested Mr. Soren on January 31st, 2024, following over 7 hours of questioning. After his arrest, Mr. Soren resigned from his position as Chief Minister. Champai Soren was then elected as the leader of the JMM Legislative Party, and the new government led by Champai Soren won a trust vote with 47 MLAs voting in favor on February 5. The case involved allegations of forging land documents from 8.86 acres in the Badgai area of Ranchi. After being granted bail, Mr. Soren's lawyer completed the formalities and he was released from Birsa Munda Central Jail around 4 p.m. Accompanied by his wife Kalpana Murmu Soren, he went directly to his father Shivu Soren's residence to receive his blessings. Supporters greeted him with slogans celebrating his release. Speaking to the media outside his father's residence, Mr. Soren said, "I am out of jail after 5 months. These 5 months must have been worrying for the people of Jharkhand and tribals. The entire nation knows why I was sent to jail. However, finally the court has pronounced a judgment. I respect the court, but sometimes it troubles me how attempts are being made to suppress the voices of politicians, writers, journalists, and social workers systematically." Mr. Soren claimed he was jailed based on false and concocted stories. "Many people like me are in jail, even the Delhi CM is in jail, and it takes a long time to get justice. People who work honestly in their fields are being troubled. I will keep fighting for the cause of the people and the tribals. My release sends a message not only to the state but to the country that a conspiracy was hatched against me," he added. During the bail hearing, Mr. Soren's lawyer Kapil Sibal argued that the case was civil, nothing that the land was described as Buinhari, non-sellable under the Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act, and could not be transferred, including no money laundering occurred. The ED countered, stating Mr. Soren had used officials to take possession of the land. The court's order stated the overall conspectus of the case based on the broad probabilities does not specifically or directly assign the petitioner to be involved in the acquisition and possession as well as concealment of 8.86 acre of land connected to the proceeds of crime. None of the register or revenue records bear imprint of the direct involvement of the petitioner in the acquisition and possession of the said land. Further, the court noted the consequences of the findings recorded by this court satisfies the condition as at section 45 PMLA 2002 to the effect that there is reason to believe that petitioner is not guilty of the offence as alleged. The timing of Mr. Soren's release is significant as Jharkhand will hold assembly elections in November. Recently, his wife Kalpana Murmu Soren won by election for the Gandhi assembly seat.